Can we trust AI? Experts emphasize that artificial intelligence technology itself is neither good nor bad in a moral sense, but its uses can lead to both positive and negative outcomes. With artificial intelligence, AI, tools increasing in sophistication and usefulness, people and industries are eager to deploy them to increase efficiency, save money, and inform human decision making. But are these tools ready for the real world? As any comic book fan knows, with great power comes great responsibility. The proliferation of AI raises questions about trust, bias, privacy, and safety, and there are few settled, simple answers. As AI has been further incorporated into everyday life, more scholars, industries, and ordinary users are examining its effects on society. The academic field of AI ethics has grown over the past 5 years and involves engineers, social scientists, philosophers, and others. The Caltech Science Exchange spoke with AI researchers at Caltech about what it might take to trust AI. Neural Fly, Neural Lander, and Neural Swarm are test beds for deep learning approaches that can assist drones in flying and landing in windy situations and coordinating the movement of the devices in swarms, according to work done at CAST. The Robotic Assisted Mobility, ROAMS, science initiative, based at Caltech, aims to create customized robotic assistance tools like exoskeletons and prostheses by employing AI to link the tool to the nervous system of the human operator. The autonomous ocean-traveling drones were created by John Dabirite, the Centennial Professor of Aeronautics and Mechanical Engineering at Caltech. They swarm and use the ocean currents for navigation. The 10,000 square foot building's mission is to advance multidisciplinary research on autonomous systems. It was opened in 2017. Gharib established Tufan, a business that is creating an autonomous heavy-lift drone for supply chain and firefighting uses. Contributions from Caltech. The Center for Autonomous Systems and Technologies, CAST, at Caltech has become a center for the study of autonomy. The drones are designed to keep an eye on ocean conditions on Earth and other worlds. The commercial use of Caltech research is growing as well.